Hello everybody, today's tutorial is about velocity and zero calibration. This calibration is setting the speed of sound value of the calibration block material and the appropriate delay 0 for the beam used in the calibration. For this calibration you're going to need a Veo Plus or Prisma instrument, a phased array probe and a reference block. We are using the same setup as in the previous video and are going directly into the velocity and zero wizard. For the reference type, please select the specific radius to match your calibration block. Make sure to enter the good value of the reference radius. On the screen, you should normally see two echoes from both reference radii. The manipulation for this calibration can be done with the block lying on its side. This configuration normally helps to stabilize the signal. For more accurate results, it is recommended to make the calibration with an unsaturated signal. Once both radii echoes appear, we can maximize them and record the maximum value within the envelope. If you make a mistake, use the clear envelope option and start again. Once the envelope has recorded the maximum signal response, adjust both gates over both reference radii echoes. Finally, click twice on the F3 button to go to the validation window. To confirm your velocity value, check the path measurement of both your gates in the A-scan. Always make sure that the calibration speed is close to the theoretical value of your material speed. Finally, the velocity calibration sign will turn green. We hope this tutorial has been useful. Thank you for being with us.